Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert total number of pages in Word 2016. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert total number of pages in this document. Firstly insert some page. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then zoom out this document to see the all page. Now we can see here we insert many page. We go to the first page and click the first page. Then go to the insert menu. Then click quick parts drop down menu. Then choose field. Then select the categories document information. Then choose number of pages. Then click OK. And we can see here we insert total number of pages 9 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.